I'm going to show you how to connect two monitors to one computer. What's going, guys? My name is Panashe. I'm from Wiz, and in this video I've decided to show you how to connect dual monitors to one computer. And the reason for this being is that I want to help you, and it has been proven that using dual monitors can speed up your productivity by 20 to 30%, according to the New York Times by John Petty survey. And without any further ado, let's jump right into it. How to connect two monitors to one computer. By having two monitors, a person can run multiple applications simultaneously instead of pressing Alt plus Tab to switch between programs. One can have an entire screen dedicated to their primary application, while the other can be used for any other program. Also, sharing data between applications can be much smoother. You will need an open VGA and HDMI port, two monitors, and a VGA and HDMI cable. Step 1. Locate an open VGA and HDMI port. Step 2. Connect your VGA cable to your computer and to your first screen. And then connect your HDMI cable to your computer and to your second screen. If your computer does not have a VGA port and has a DVI port instead, use a DVI to VGA adapter. Step 3. Restart your computer. Set up your computer by right-clicking, then going to Screen Resolution. On some computers it may be Display Settings. Step 4. Match the physical arrangement of your monitors by dragging the monitor icons. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. And please follow us on all our social media platforms. The links are in the description below. If you have any questions, please make sure to leave them down in the comment section. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.